Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I can present my research about research computational thinking for science education, a bibliometric analysis. We from UPI, Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. Okay, in our introduction, technology, we look in this time very increased. About technology can have relations about education. Technology can help education to increase again. In education, it's have very big or large level. Like say education, technology can help in science teaching learning for interest and go to the goals. Both in science teaching learning, it is like 21 centuries competencies like creativity, critical thinking, and problem solving. And the reasons about technology, we can have science teaching learning to go. Students have the thinking, problem solver like computer, the computerization. It is we mean computational thinking. So in this article about bibliometric analysis of computational thinking in education, we have three questions. The first question in terms of the main research field, significant publication and collaboration pattern. How is the current situation of city for science education research? And the second question, in terms of use of keyword in publications, what are the main trends in city for scientific education research? And the last question, what are the current developments and trends in city for science education? For our methods, we make a systematic quantitative research with a bibliometric analysis. We find and collect the data from corpus, and we analyze with corpus data from the keyword computational thinking for science education, and we make the possible application to visualization analysis from data with corpus. Result in discussion, we will have more the picture and visualization for possible application. In analysis of corpus, picture 1, paper regarding city for science education published from 1986 to 2023. We look that have interest from 2007 to 2022. It is increased. From before is like line, not increased significant, but it is from 2006 to 2022 is increased very significant. And then page 2 overlay visualization about city have the networking with the more keywords in the new years, I think. And then picture 3, document by country analyze about city for science education. US have more document about the research city for science education between the other country. And US have more networking with the other countries. But if we look Indonesia, only have 20 documents in the Scopus data, about city for science education and visualization in post viewer. We have a look at Indonesia mass networking with Malaysia, no more networking with the other country. So it is potential for our research to networking with the other country to research about city for science education. And then picture 6 with visualization subject area from Scopus analysis. We look the conversation conference page have more publication about city for science education, and then article and the other subject area. Picture 6. This picture 7 presentation of publication based on the type of document issue. We look the first is computer science and then social science. So I think for our educations, social science have for trend research about city for science education. For visuals edge have three visuals. A about visualization topic area for networking city with the other keywords. And then for B, is we highlight or click on teachers and we look at have a networking teacher with the city and then engineering education. And the other, but it is very small networking, but for between teacher and engineering education and computational thinking, it is the big networking. If we look at the C picture edge, it will highlight or click on the middle school. This have like same picture about the teachers have networking, big networking with the engineering education. So conclusion from 1986 to 2023, there has been an annual growth in the amount of research on the trend in city for science education. And then the article are the most often examined sort of text, followed by conference paper and articles. And then many researchers interest to researching city in the field of science education, and numerous opportunities that can be discussed city for science education in social science and for teachers and students in middle schools to network with city engineering education so that we can test city skill for science education with STEM education, because STEM education have the step about engineering education. And then by developing extensive networking with the other nations, research in city for science education has a lot of potentials to be connected in Indonesia, because Indonesia small or a little document have research about city in science education and small networking with the other country. Okay, I think now for my lessons. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.